scenic beauty, centuries-old heritage, archaeological sites, and natural wonders, valuable and precious. But what's more precious is the people. Their honesty, warm nature, hard work, and resilience. This is what brought us July. This is what made us stand together and protect each other. When the country was literally without any visible police force. And this is the very spirit which brought us together in the face of a natural disaster which came right after the July uprising. This is what makes the world trust our hard-working people.